Hello, welcome back to another great video today. We're going to be unboxing a 12-inch MacBook. That's right, just a regular MacBook that I got for like, I don't know, $300 off of eBay. This is a 2016 model we got here. I'm doing the funny unboxing. Oh, I won't expose my location too much. I live in a top secret CIA military base thing. Yeah, I know. It's so top secret. I don't even know the name of it. They won't let me know. All they do is let me unbox stuff on my YouTube channel. It's pretty well wrapped. I'm not gonna lie. They did a pretty good job. Thank you, eBay seller. Love you. But yeah, here it is. This MacBook had a lot, actually lots of stickers on it. When I unboxed it, I'm like, oh, that's a lot of stickers. So then I had to use isopropyl alcohol, take them all off, which I didn't record because I was busy and forgot about it. So I did it off camera, which is fine. But yeah, that's too far ahead. I spoiled half the video for you. Sorry about that. But anyways, here's the MacBook. This is our gold one, which I really like the color of. It's really nice. And these things are impossibly light. Like, oh, they're like the same size as my textbook. And they weigh about like, maybe like not textbooks, I mean notebooks. They weigh about like two notebooks. And there's the stickers I was talking about. There's a lot of stickers on it. Look at that. Beautiful. I say beautiful. The only downside thing to this computer, which all my keys work right now, knock on wood. All the keys work right now, but it is a butterfly keyboard, a Gen 1, so hope it doesn't fail anytime soon, otherwise I'm going to be having a little sissy rage and this thing's going against the wall. Or, I don't even know what I'm going to do with it. But yeah, it did take a while to boot up at first. I thought it was dead, but it turned on eventually. Look at that. Yeah, see, like I did the ancient close the lid for a little bit and then open it back up trick to get it to turn on. That works every single time. If your computer doesn't turn on, there you go. Save thousands of millions of dollars on repairing just doing that. And there we go. I went to go set it up. And I'm gonna let you know about my experience with the MacBook using it for about a week. Cut frame, freeze frame, freeze frame. Setting it up. Welcome back to the second part of this video. We're gonna be looking. I'm gonna tell you how my week went using this MacBook and my last week of my junior year of high school. So we open the bad boy up. That's all. Turn on. Oh, wake up. Oh, we got a DM from someone. Oh, you just got a shout out.
Call me Mark Zuckerberg for leaking personal information.
Oh no, you know my password from my MacBook. Oh, go away. Oh, there's a lot of porn. I almost closed out of that. No. Okay, we're good. So let's look at the specs here. This is a Retina 12-inch, early 2016, the mid-tier M5 with 8 GB of RAM. Intel HD graphics that suck. It also has a 500 GB SSD flash storage as it's called. That has I'm already using a lot of it for storing videos and stuff because that's what I'm gonna use this for. I'm gonna use it for storing videos probably. Use it for schoolwork. See, the keyboard isn't too bad. Like it's not as good as like a scissor switch keyboard, but it gets the job done. I can get used to it if I actually had to. It's a lot louder, as they said, with this thing. Yeah. Using it, the battery life, it's alright. It lasts about like 4 to 5 hours on a charge, which is, it's Intel. It's a new series of chip called the Intel. It's Marcus branded. I need my own brand of processors. Hit me up, AMD. Thank you very much. But yeah, it has the M5 in it. Not that Core i5, but the M5, which is just a very
conservative processor that does not require a fan. There's no fan in this whole entire computer. It's why it's so remarkably thin and beautiful. And it matches my desk. I don't really notice an issue with the one port thing because I only use this for charging. Like, I only use it for charging. I don't sync my computers or something like that. In my computers. I mean iPods. You know what I mean, guys. Thank you. But I don't sync any iPods to this thing because I use my older Macs, like my 2015, to do that. Because look at that USB. The perfect Mac right there. Beautiful. And also my 2010 here. I'll finger it a little bit. Ow! There we go. Yeah, this thing lasts. My overall score of it is it's all right. I think it was a great deal for what I got it for, but I wouldn't recommend buying these for over like $400. They're not worth it. I'd much rather get an M1 MacBook than this thing. But also those start like $1,000, so, or I think $899 now. Do some deals you can get on Apple.com for the Air. I picked this up for, I said earlier, like around like $300, and yeah, you get what you pay for basically with this bad boy. Oh, my information. Oh no, gay. That's all. Thanks for watching today's video. Stay tuned for the next one. We're on it. I don't even know what I'm gonna do, guys. This is a real big problem that I have. But I am out of school until sometime in July. So yeah, I'll be partying and working. Woo!